Another of the better-known brandy drinks is the Stinger. The usual recipe for this drink calls for brandy and white creme de menthe in equal parts. If green creme de menthe is used, it is known as the Emerald. The Emerald, with a dash of red pepper added, is called the Devil. Side note, all of these sound gross, and we're using green creme de menthe. So technically it's an Emerald. This is going to be labeled a dry Stinger. I don't care. Where the half and half formula is used, the Stinger, like the coffee, which we haven't done yet because it has eggs in it, is not a true cocktail. It can, however, easily be transformed into a dry and very palatable cocktail similar to a Miami, except that brandy is used in place of rum. I don't know if we've done a Miami, but that sounds pretty good compared to this, because I don't really love brandy. But this is, starting off, 1 part lime. 2 parts creme de menthe. Again, I guess it's called an Emerald with green creme de menthe, but we're still calling it whatever the title of this video is. I think the flavor of green creme de menthe is the same as the white. It's just, it has food coloring or whatever, and looks more like mint. I think this will make this look better, maybe. And then we have 6 parts of brandy. That'll be 3 of the tall boys. This recipe that I'm making, I accidentally did 2 parts of lime juice because I used the tall one. Yeah, this already smells like so bad. I'm so nervous about this one. Ugh. We'll obviously want to shake this up with some ice. Very much looking forward to this drink ruining my day. Maybe it'll be good. I don't know.
Ew, I can see it leaking out the side.
Oh no! Alright. And it looks too bad it's not St. Patrick's Day. The Emerald.
It is pretty color.
Yeah, actually the green makes it mixes really well with that darker brown and makes it a very pretty color. It is Emerald. That's why they call it that, probably. Maybe I'll call it an Emerald. I'll probably do a slash. If you're looking at this, you'll know what decision I made. You ready to try this thing?
Ooh, I'm not looking forward to it.
I'm so scared. Alright, let's do this. It could also be called the Ooze. It reminds me of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Oh yeah. I'll think about that. It already smells terrible.
Like, it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's not good. It's all the wrong flavors.
It tastes like toothpaste.
It does taste kind of like toothpaste.
Well.
Like it, yeah, yo, so.
Oh god, it's so terrible.
Have you ever brushed your teeth brushed your teeth and then drank anything citrusy?
Like orange juice?
Like orange juice. This drink is just that, pre-made. Like, I don't know why you'd want to do that. With brandy, one of the worst liquors. So, maybe it'd be better with rum, but I kind of doubt it. Just ruin some good rum.
I don't like mint, so.
Anyways, it's a pretty tall drink, so wish me luck.